and B chain containing 30 amino acids. Both A and B chains are linked by 2 disulfide bonds, and third disulfide bond is in A chain. The molecular weight is 5808. Secretion. It is secreted by rough endoplasmic reticulum of beta cells as pre-proinsulin. The pre-proinsulin is then converted into proinsulin, and then the proinsulin is then converted into insulin. The plasma level. The plasma level of insulin is 20 microunits per ml during fasting and 150 microunits per ml after consumption of food. Mechanism of action. Insulin incorporates GLUT into cell membranes, especially GLUT4 in muscle, adipose tissue and other insulin-sensitive cells. Number of receptors increase in starvation, exercise and decrease in increased insulin, obesity and acromegaly.